Alright, so this is the video lesson for 3.1 day 2, ratios. This happened on a Friday. The essential question, how can I determine if two ratios are equivalent? We dealt with a little bit of this yesterday. So today we will be doing checking if two ratios are equivalent and then finding the missing number that makes the ratios equivalent. Okay, so for your entry task, please, what is the ratio of goldfish to jellyfish? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 goldfish. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 jellyfish. So it's 4 to 4, or 4 to 4, or 4 to 4. What is the ratio of jellyfish to total animals? Jellyfish is 4, total is 8. So 4 to 8, or 4 to 8. Order matters. Please do not forget that. All right, find the number that makes the ratios equivalent. Like I said, I taught it a little differently than the way it is in the notes, so I had to adjust. I'm going to adjust right now using some sticky notes. Sorry if you already wrote it down. What I did was I rewrote them as fractions. So we have 5 to 7 is equal to 15 to blank. So we know that ratios are equivalent if what you do to the top you do to the bottom. So to go from 5 to 15, it's 5 times 3. And so then we have to do the same thing to the bottom. 7 times 3 is 21. So the missing number is 21. And then same thing down here. We have 24 to blank is equal to 6 to 25. Well, we can go this way. 6 to 24 is times 4. So then we have to do the same thing times 4. So the missing number is 100. That is basically it. Equivalent ratios, whatever happens at the top happens at the bottom. So the question is, what is the relationship? How do you go from this number to this number? You do the same thing down there. Right, pause that or rewatch that if you need to look at that again, but go ahead and do the try. It's fill in the blanks. What makes these ratios equivalent? If I had 9 to 3 is equal to 81 to blank. 9 times 9 is 81. So 3 times 9 is 27. If I had 12 to 10 equals 6 to blank. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. As you can see, your only options are multiply and divide. So those are the only two you should be using, multiply and divide. And yeah, because this was a Friday, we just did a fun Kahoot after this. Sorry that you missed out on the Kahoot, but at least there was no assignment. So yeah, look over the notes again to make sure you understand how to find equivalent ratios. Please email me if you have any questions.